Ang stand nila Senator Gatchalian at Tiveros sa proof nila sa Pogo Hub debacle at citizenship issue ni Alice Guo, we found out na nakatakas at umalis na ng bansa si Alice Guo papuntang ibang bansa with the help of the godfather of Pogo.
I am now in receipt of information that this person was already in fact out of the country on July 18, 2024 to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Ipapakita ko po ang dokumentong ito bilang patunay na pumasok sa Malaysia si Alice Guo.
Nahuli siya at nireport ng Indonesia for 2 months after niya makatakas at makalaya sa ating bansa. Alice Leal Guo was found to be Chinese dahil sa fingerprint match niya sa isang Chinese national na pumasok sa bansa by the name of Guo Huaping from Fujian, China. And hindi siya or hindi parehas ang fingerprint ng Alice Leal Guo natin, the mayor. Not that I've stretched this NIDW long enough, let's get on what Comelec Chairman George Irvin Garcia said to explain why it isn't their fault na nakatakbo at naging mayor si Alice Leal Guo Huaping. Their duty, of course, is only to facilitate. Kailangan talaga may mag-dispute. Walang nag-dispute, so walang nangyari.
Nangyari sa Bamban Tarlac. Nakapagparehistro bilang botante, walang nag-question. Nag-file ng kandidatura, walang nag-oppose, walang nag-file ng petition na elect, nanalo, na proklama yung mismong kandidato.